Missing someone. Missing someone. Missing someone.
Good morning, my loves. How are you doing? If you're new here, karibu sana. I go by the name Vivian Odhiambo, aka Fashion Guru Kenya, aka Mtoto wa Homa Bay County. As you can tell by the title of the video, I just want to show the people that work from 8 to 5. You work in Westlands, you work in industrial area, you work on Mombasa Road, you just work outside town, or even you work in town, but then again, affording a meal each and every day, it's expensive. At least people use at least from 100 bob, that is the cheapest you can get, which is fries, to up to 500 shillings every day for lunch. So let's start with something very easy that you can. Number one, you can buy githeri when you're coming from work and then come cook it. I'm just going to show you a very quick easy recipe. It's going to take at least 10 minutes. I know when you come from work, you're tired, you just want to shower. Some don't shower, yeah. You just want to shower, eat, prepare for tomorrow. Yes, I know, I understand you're tired. So this is going to take you just 10 minutes, as I said. And then again, if you spend 100 bob for lunch, you can buy this githeri, a cup, for 50 shillings. That is the most expensive, I believe, 50 bob. So you'll have saved 50 shillings. That's a lot of money. In a week, if you save 50 shillings every day, you have like 250 shillings, assuming you work from Monday to Friday. Okay, let's just go and cook that githeri real quick. Just show you how you can do it. And these are onions. We call them kitunguu ya majani, spring onions. I've just been schooled that is inaitwa spring onions. Mimi najua tu zinaitwa kitunguu ya majani, imagine. But in English they're called spring onions. So we're going to use the spring onions, the Royco cubes, and the githeri will be done. We'll have the githeri with tea. This is the Royco cube. Ouch. And then I add some salt. I'm adding a little salt because the Royco cube has salt already. Number two, you can cook stew at night. You see that leftover stew that you cooked at night, that beef stew, that chicken stew, you can carry it to work. You don't have to carry it with something, an accompaniment. You don't have to carry it with something to eat. You can just carry it as it is, and you can go to work and buy vegetables and ugali. I'm sure the most expensive is 60 shillings, vegetables and ugali, and then you add your meat inside, and voila, you've just spent 60 bob for a meal that you'll just at least spend 100 or 200, 150 or 200 bob for. You've eaten ugali, skuma, and nyama for just 60 bob, and it was just in your budget because that is what that is what you add for dinner, and it's just a leftover. You see, you've saved at least let me see, you've saved at least 140 shillings. That's a lot of money. Calculate 140 bob in a week. 140 bob times 5. You see, that's a lot of money. Another thing, number 3, you can buy yogurt. Yogurt is very filling, and eat it with mandazi or anything else that you want to eat it with. I know in town, maybe in supermarkets, yogurt goes for at least from 100 bob and above, the 500 ml. But nowadays we have ATMs that sell yogurt. I live near a place where they sell yogurt, and ATM that they sell yogurt. Their yogurt is really nice. For that cup, I think it is 450 ml or 400 ml cup, they sell it for 50 shillings. That's a bargain. So you buy that for 50 bob, and then you buy like 2 mandazis. That is 70 shillings. You've saved. Instead of buying fries alone for 100 bob, you've saved at least 30 bob, and you've had an healthy meal, a meal that is going to keep you full for longer. Okay? Okay. Number 3. This is for the men, especially the men who want to win gangster points, because they're like, me, I can't carry food to work. How will people see me, a man who carries food to work? Yeah, gangster points are going to win, and then your health is going to lose. So don't stay hungry at work if you cannot afford to buy a meal every day just because you want to earn some gangster points. So this is for you. This is what you're going to do. Whatever leftover you had for dinner, if you had meat, if you had chicken, if you had githeri, if you had rice and beans, have that in the morning. Have that in the morning as breakfast. You will be full the entire day, so that at lunchtime you just have tea and mandazi, or just have a fruit like banana. No, not a banana. Men don't like eating bananas in public. It makes them look weird. I don't know, but then again, okay, you can throw in an apple. An apple is 30 Kenya shillings. You can buy mandazis, at least 4 mandazis for 20 bob, or in West, okay, outside the estate it's always expensive, so one mandazi goes for at least 10 shillings. So you can buy 2 mandazis for 20 bob, have that with tea, and then come back home and have supper. You'll be full the entire day. Gangster points you'll get, your health points you'll get too. Okay, okay. Another point. Yeah, if you're dieting, there are very simple salad recipes that you can make. This is for you ladies. Very simple salad recipes that you can make, like the one that I made the other day. It's here on the channel, the pineapple coleslaw salad. It's very sweet, it's very healthy, and it's very filling. Yeah, so if you're dieting, the pineapple coleslaw salad will be mwah for you. Okay, okay. Another point. Yeah, if you're a lover of fries, you can buy warus from at least a tin, or a whatever. A tin, yeah, goes for from 30 shillings and above. So you can buy the 30 shillings one and then make fries at home. This oil is already in your monthly budget at home, so you just buy the warus, cut them nicely, make fries to carry them tomorrow to work, and then you're just going to microwave them and they'll be good to go. And then the other days you just go out there and promote those hotels and restaurants. They want your money too, so you can't just be saving all the time. Go out there and promote those restaurants. Let them eat your money, let them eat your salary, a little bit of it, let them eat it. At least once a week you can just go to the restaurants. You can just go to that mama ntilie, mama Putin. Go there and promote them. Okay, don't be stingy. Don't carry food from home all the time, even though it's saving money. Just at least once a week, go support those restaurants. Okay, so if you do all these things, at the end of the month you would have saved at least 2,000 bob. So imagine saving 2,000 bob every month for an entire year. That's a lot of money. That is money that you can use to do something else. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Click on that notification bell to get notified whenever I upload a new video, and leave your comments down below. Let me know, how do you save when it comes to lunch? If you do an 8 to 5 job and you work in Westlands, Mombasa Road, in town, like, how do you save your money? How do you eat, still be healthy, and still save money? Just leave your comments below. More ideas. Okay, bye bye.